Okay, it's Friday afternoon, the 6th of December, doing this around 5 o'clock. There are some flurries up this way towards Towanda, Elmira, some lighter snows. You'll see them move across the northern tier of the state. It's all part of that squall system. Don't expect anything major out of this, maybe a dusting to an inch out of that. Then we have a clipper that's going to come by. This clipper comes by Sunday afternoon around 4 or 5 o'clock, and you can see it here. It's down like towards Tunkhannock and Towanda. It's going to work its way across. There it is around it's around 6 o'clock. There's seven, eight. It's not much. It just kind of rotates around a little bit. This is around midnight, and then it moves off, and that's about it for that. Then what we got going on is as we head into Monday, temperatures will begin to rebound Sunday, and then on Monday we have a rain system that's going to come in from the west, and it's not going to be a snow event, maybe a little at the end. But that's kind of your update on that. If you're wondering how much snow you get out of this system over, you can see it's very light, very light. You basically, right in here, you can see the valleys don't get anything, but basically, you're talking a dusting to maybe an inch, maybe a little bit more than that in the higher terrain out here, but that's about it. Nothing to get excited about. The heavier stuff is pretty much clearing out, and the rain will come in and wash it all away, which is probably a good thing for that. All right, temperature wise, you'll see on here, I'll show you this. You'll see how here is tonight. This is around 7 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures are in all in the 20s. Northern New Jersey in the mid 20s, and then as you go to the daytime hours tomorrow, in basically the southern areas down here and the valleys are get above freezing. The mountainous regions do not get above freezing; they get into upper 20s. And then as we get into Sunday night, here's around midnight. Everybody's below freezing, but not as deeply below freezing as we were. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it didn't really drop a lot. Temperatures right around that freezing mark for everybody. And then as we go to the day on Sunday is when you have that little bit of a warm up coming through. Temperatures get into the 30s in the mountains, 40s in the valleys. Northwestern New Jersey gets up into the 40s. So if there's any snow on the ground, it kind of melts. And then this takes you to Sunday night around 8 o'clock. You can see it does get below freezing in some of the higher elevations, but we're not getting down into the teens and the 20s. And then this takes you to around 2 o'clock in the morning um, on Monday morning, Sunday night, Monday morning. And you can see temperatures 20s to 30s, get it right around freezing at this point. But then you'll start to see the temperatures begin to moderate as this front from the west starts to move in. All right, that's your update, and I'll be updating this again on Sunday. Take it easy.